Australia visa updates, September 2025. 4 major changes you must know. In this video, we break down the latest Australian immigration updates, starting with the visa ban imposed on certain countries, followed by the NSW 491 Skilled Work Regional Visa update that could reshape opportunities for migrants. We also explain the stricter new rules on converting tourist visas and the rise in migration skill assessment fees. Watch till the end to understand how these changes affect applicants and what steps you can take to stay compliant and competitive. Australia has announced 4 significant visa updates effective September 2025 that could reshape pathways for skilled workers, tourists, and international families. These changes highlight the government's focus on border control, economic needs, and stricter compliance. The full version of this video in certain countries. The Australian government is considering banning visa applications from countries that refuse to accept deported citizens. Nations such as Russia, Iran, Iraq, and South Sudan may face restrictions. This move aims to ease deportation challenges, but has sparked debate over humanitarian concerns and diplomatic impacts. Now let's talk about the NSW 491 Skilled Work Regional Visa Update. From 3 September 2025, New South Wales will reduce the work requirement for subclass 491 nomination from 12 months to 6 months. This change directly benefits skilled migrants by accelerating access to permanent residency, while also addressing regional skill shortages in critical industries. Next, we have the stricter rules on tourist visa conversion. The government has tightened rules on converting tourist visas into other visas while in Australia. With broader application of the No Further Stay condition, 8503, tourist visa holders can no longer switch to student, work, or family visas inside the country. This measure aims to prevent visa misuse. Following that, let's look at the increased migration skill assessment fees. Starting first, September 2025, skill assessment fees for visa applicants will rise by 3 to 4%. Professions such as engineering and healthcare will be affected. While the adjustment reflects inflation, it adds further financial strain on applicants, making financial planning even more essential. Finally, we wrap up with the conclusion. Australia's September 2025 visa reforms reflect a balance of control and opportunity. From banning certain nationalities to easing pathways for regional workers, these measures will have wide-ranging impacts on migrants, families, and employers. Anyone planning to migrate should prepare early, understand the costs, and stay updated on policy shifts to secure their future in Australia. Thanks for watching. These 4 major visa changes in September 2025 show just how quickly Australia's immigration system is evolving. If you found this update helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with anyone planning their move to Australia.
Amandarewe uyu munsi ndararirwana Amandarewe burya iwacu ni heza cyane Amandarewe ye nahuye n'inyamibwa nziza Amandarewe azenda yegera ndayibaza Amandarewe mbabarira umbwira uvuka Amandarewe atimbuka mu bagasabu Amandarewe uyu munsi ndararirwana Amandarewe burya iwacu ni heza cyane inyamibwa nziza mama ndare